Hi everybody, let's get into making a loaf of super berry soap. The goal for this soap was to make just the wildest berry soap with lots and lots of berry embeds on top of all different kinds. To get our berry scent, I wanted to use the Pump Up the Jam scent. And after scenting and blending everything all together, we're going to split the soap into 3 colors, a blue, a pink, and a white. For this loaf, we're going to do in the pot swirl, using the blue as the base, and putting in the white on one side and the pink on the other. That way when we pour it in, it should make a nice, smooth transition between all the colors. For the top of this soap, I just used clear and white melt and pour, and we made some strawberries, some raspberries, blueberries. I think there were a couple of currants using just red soap in the blueberry mold, and some orange slices, and orange kind of blackberries, just, orange berries. Now that we've let our super berry sit in the mold for about 24 hours, it's time to take it out and see what we got on the inside. Because of the melt and pour berries on the top, we have to be very careful while cutting with our wire cutter so that we don't snap the wire. But we can see from this slice that we get a very nice kind of wavy pattern alternating between the white and the red, all mixed in with the blue that came from our in the pot swirl. If you want to see more soap making with different techniques, different colors, different scents, and different designs, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you liked what you saw in this video, make sure to hit the like button and stay tuned.